Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can make thousands of dollars every single day trading low volume up only Solana meme coins. So yeah, this type of Solana meme coins I've not really been talking about, and a lot of people don't even know that they exist. I'm going to show you guys exactly what they actually are and how you can find them and how you can make, just like me, thousands of dollars with a single trade by basically just buying these coins, and they are pretty much guaranteed to make money. Now, basically, I'm going to show you guys some crazy alpha as well, because recently, using this method, I have found the craziest Solana meme coin I've came across in a long time that I am still holding, and that is most likely going to make me over 6 figures. The coin I've basically found using this method is called Sank, and Sank is just going absolutely basically insane recently. We can see it is low volume, up only, and has been going up like crazy. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys exactly what the project, basically how you can find these projects and what these projects actually are. But yeah, this is crazy alpha, because I've never talked about this project on my Twitter, YouTube, Telegram, anything. If you're watching this video, this is the only way you're ever going to know that I am buying a shitload of money into this project, because this is most likely going to 10, 20, 30 million dollars market cap or much further, and it is still extremely early. The reason why I'm not sharing this on my YouTube or Twitter or Instagram or Telegram is because I first of all don't want to jinx it, and I also simply don't want to cause a gigantic pump and dump, or by simply whales and other influencers buy up a big percentage of the supply basically. So that's why I just want to make sure that this grows organically. But yeah, if you're watching this video, then you are in luck, because this is basically the craziest project I've ever came across, and that is most likely going to reach 10 million really quickly. So yeah, basically if you want to check it out, just type in the ticker over on back screener. But yeah, more basically all about that. Let's just immediately jump into the video and how you can actually find these projects, because we can see right now that I have literally made over $1.4 thousand with this coin, and it was extremely easily. I literally put in like 10 Solana and I'm already making a crazy profit. Now the way we're going to find these low volume up only Solana meme coins, and here are some more examples. Coins like Go, coins like Kettenheimer, coins like Habibi. I'm betting basically right now that you don't even know this project, that you have never heard about it. The reason for it is because it's low volume, meaning it will never trend on DEX screener. However, because of the low volume, it's not getting that much attention, meaning it's not a pump and dump, and it just slowly goes to the upside. From off the bottom, it's up 60x. This one is from off its bottom more than 40x. And Habibi right now is taking a quite big dump, but it was also more than 40x. So yeah, these slow meme coins that just go up like this are extremely profitable, and that's why I want to talk about them. I'm going to show you guys all my secrets. But yeah, first of all, before I do that, I just need to say that if you want to buy and sell Solana meme coins, I would recommend buying it using a Telegram trading bot such as Trojan. That allows you to buy much faster than on any other exchange such as Radium and Jupiter. So I would recommend checking out Trojan. It's the first link in the description below. Go check it out. You need to use it in order to buy and sell Solana meme coins. Plus, if you actually want to snipe Solana meme coins, you need to use a Telegram trading bot such as Trojan as well. So go check it out. Link in the description below. So how do we actually find these coins? Well, we go to DEX Screener. Just like this, you're most likely on the Solana section, because we are talking about up only Solana meme coins. And then basically all we're going to do is click on Radium, and then we're going to rank it by volume. And then basically that's all we do. Make sure that the last 24 hours is selected, and then what we're going to do is simply scroll down, because we're looking for low volume coins. I would always recommend coins under a $1.5 million market cap. So we're going to start right here. And then literally all we're going to do is look for good narratives. You need to know exactly what a good coin is. And basically good coins consist of a few things. You have good graphics, which is exactly what Sank has. Sank has good graphics, a good theme, they have a good website, their Instagram has animations, which is crazy. So this was just really easy to identify. I mean, if it has a good profile picture, it is most of the time already going to do really good. So just look for original good things. Go as well as an extremely good narrative. Kettenheimer, also really good narrative, and Habibi as well. And that's basically why all 4 of those went absolutely crazy, or will go crazy. And yeah, they're just really easy to identify. So what we're going to do is simply scroll down till we simply find a coin with low volume, under 1.5 million, so that are all these coins, that is looking good. And literally what you're going to do is click on every single one of them. And first of all, look how the chart is looking. Well, of course, this chart is not looking good, so you want to skip this one. It's really important that you first of all check the chart. For example, this one. I mean, it has low volume, low market cap, that is good. The chart is, however, not looking that great. You can still check out their Twitter, their website, the Telegram, and see if it has potentially a good theme behind it, or good graphics, or a good meme. However, I do have to say that this one right now does not really seem like a good meme at all, so you're just going to scroll. And this can literally take hours. I am literally doing this every couple of days, where I just scroll through all the low volume coins and see if there are any new gems out there. And that's literally all I do. And then I just simply check if there are. I simply buy one of these projects. If not, then I simply skip them. Remember that thousands of projects a month are getting created that are actually end up going to multi-millions. So all we need is one or two of these coins and you're going to make a shitload of money. So it's just really important that you just simply use this method every couple of days. And just scroll through all of the coins to see if there are any new good coins. We're having DJ Kath. Seems like a pretty good name. We're just simply going to check what the project actually is about. First of all, we can notice that the coin has been doing really good recently. I mean, it's up more than 20% in the last 6 hours. However, it does seem like right now that this project has died down a bit. So what you can do right now is maybe check their Twitter and just click on the Twitter and see if their Twitter is looking good. You can also check their website, their Telegram, you can check DEX tools, you can put it in some coin checkers such as Rook.xyz, it's this one, and see if it's a potential Rook. And if everything basically looks good, you can potentially get into the project, but of course it first needs to have a good meme. And like I said, this will literally take hours upon hours to research these coins, because you need to have conviction. I literally aped over 10 Solana in this project called Sank, and I mean 10 Solana at like 400k market cap or something. That is literally, I right now own like 1% of the supply. I aped $1,600 in a coin that has no more than 400k market cap, but I have just so much conviction, and that is right now why I'm also making that much money already, and why I'm going to continue keeping money if this goes up. So yeah, it's really important that you research all of these coins. I do have to say that this one is looking interesting. It seems like it is potentially going for a little rounding bottom and potentially getting either an exit pump or just goes for another leg up, who knows. So coins like these, all you need to do is make sure that it has a good Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, website, everything needs to check out. And if that actually happened, you can just simply enter the project with a few Solana and potentially make a lot of money with them. Because the crazy thing is with these coins is that they have quite low volume, meaning that the projects will also not just dump within like a few hours. That's also a really good thing. All of these coins you're seeing on DEX screen and trending have insane hype and volume, but this also means that they will end up dying out much quicker than these low volume coins, which is just really nice, meaning you will not lose your entire network if you simply buy a few of these coins and you wake up the next day and most of these coins will never go down like 70% in a day. That rarely happens because there's not that much hype, meaning that something crazy has to happen for it to simply die down or basically go down 50% in a day, because most of the time these coins will either consolidate, slowly go down or slowly go up. They will never just die out or like goes down 70%, you know what I'm saying? So that's the good thing about these projects as well. And literally all you're just simply going to do is scroll down and you can go to even more pairs and just look at all the pairs. Right here you have thousands upon thousands of pairs. You can just research, and once you've finally found a project with good graphics, a good meme, and let me just show you guys why I aped Sank. First of all, the profile picture and the banner is really good. High quality graphics. It has low volume, but it has pretty decent liquidity. Plus, it is also right now playing into the Ponk hype. Ponk, if you don't know, is a coin at a $300 million market cap on Solana right now, and it's basically the same as Ponk. It is also doing animations on their Instagram as well. Their Instagram is literally getting thousands upon thousands of views on every single reel they're making, which is just extremely good. Not sure why I can't see the views here, but on the Instagram app it is showing thousands of views. They have a shitload of followers already. Their website, their Twitter, everything is looking really good. They have a team of 18 people working on this project right now, which is just insane. Also, they have some crazy things in the background I've talked about. Basically with the team. Not sure why my entire freaking face cam is lagging right now. Alright, so my face cam just died out. Unfortunately, it's low on battery, which I still wanted to continue making this video. So yeah, you just need to double check every single aspect of the token, and if everything is playing out and everything is looking good, just like Sank right now, you can potentially ape it with conviction. That's the best thing. If you can ape a project with conviction, all you need is just a project under a $1 million market cap. If you put in like 2 or 3 SOL and it goes to like a 20, 30, $50 million market cap, you are going to make a shitload of money. Just make sure that you have a small percentage of the supply, like 0.1, 0.2%. If it ends up going to a $100 million market cap, you literally have like 20 or 200k. It's crazy. So yeah, that is right now basically the way most people are making a shitload of money right now. It is simply by buying these low market cap, low volume, up only Solana meme coins. And I would never really recommend basically aping any project of DEX winner trending, because you know that if a project is on DEX winner trending, it is already too hyped. Everyone has already seen it, and you're most likely already too late. You either want to ape it before it's on DEX winner trending, or just a project that will most likely never get on DEX winner trending, and that just go really under the radar, but that will do eventually really good. So yeah, I hope I basically gave some information about this concept. I hope I explained it well. But yeah, this is genuinely an extremely good way in order to make money with Solana meme coins. If you have any more questions, if you want me to make a follow-up video on this topic, basically, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video as well. Go check out Trojan Bot, link in the description below. And yeah, for the alpha right now, check out Sank if you want, because it's most likely going to send. And once it reaches like a $5 million market cap, I will make a video about it, and I will refer back to this video where I told you guys about this project. So yeah, it's just insane right now. Everything is looking good. So yeah, basically, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you guys in my next crypto meme coin review.